Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to find all the numbers, not the numbers, all the letters that are in the middle of the first and last letter of the word the user enters. So let's get started. First, we are going to type in a variable which is the name of the variable is going to be word, which is going to be equal to input. And then we're going to put we're going to put a string, and then we're going to do enter a word, please. And now we're going to make two more lines, and we're going to do if word. Then we are going to put these square brackets, and we're going to type in 0. So what this is doing is basically it's just finding the word, which means the word that the user entered, and then it's taking in the first letter of the word. That's what word square bracket 0 means. And then what we're going to do is equal equal, which basically means equal equal. And then we're going to do word and then square brackets -1. So what this is doing is it's seeing if the first letter is equal to the last word letter, because we did -1 in the square brackets and in the word. Yeah. So that's calculating the last letter of the word the user entered. So yeah, we want this code, and then we want to do print, and we want our string, and we want to put an F before our string so we can make an F string. So we want an F string, and then what we want is the numbers, not the numbers, I keep on saying numbers, the letters between the first letter and the last one is, and then we're going to put these square curly brackets, and then we are going to do len parentheses word, and then we're going to get out of these parentheses but still be in the not the square brackets, the curly brackets, and we're going to do space minus space 2. So I'll explain to you what this does after we make the else. So we're going to do else and then a colon, and we're going to print bad input, comma space bad input, and then we're going to do comma space the letters the first letter is not the same as the last letter. And yeah, so I told you I was going to explain what this does. So let me explain now. So we made a string. It's going to print everything inside the string. And we put these curly brackets. And since we made an F string, it's going to actually calculate this. So why I did len word was because I wanted to see the length of the word, which basically means how many letters are inside the word, which is the word that the user entered. So it's going to calculate that and then do -2. Why I made it do -2 was because the first letter of the word is counted as one letter, and the last letter of the word is also counted as one letter. So if you add 1 and 1, you get 2. So I'm subtracting those 2 letters and giving how many letters are in the middle. So let's see if this goes well. So first we just need to get our console. So it says enter a word, please. Let's say we enter I. it says letters between the first letter and the last letter. The letters between the first letter and the last one is 1. So let me just zoom in so you guys can see. Yeah. So if you run it again and don't do, for example, like what it says, don't do what it says, but like what we make. So let's say we did I. It says bad input, the first letter is not the same as the last letter. So that's what we want. So yeah guys, that was the end of the video. So if you like this video, make sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.